In this in this practical we will be learning about how to make a maze runner. So for this we will be changing our sprite. The sprite Toby, we will delete the sprite Toby, and instead of this we will insert another sprite which is Beetle. Okay, and we'll keep a background. The background will be related to the maze, so we'll search maze here. So the maze is here and the sprite is here. We'll just place it somewhere. Okay, that would be approx point. Now we'll be doing the coding. So for the coding, we'll be starting with the set direction. So we'll put sprite dot set direction to 0. Okay, and then sprite size, we'll decrease the size. Now right now it is 100, so we'll make it 50. Set size to 50, and then we'll use the sprite move technique. So basically we'll be using a location where whenever we run the code where exactly the sprite should be. The sprite dot go to xy is minus 150 comma minus 150, and this is all set for the sprite, the starting position. So after this we'll put a while condition, that is a loop, and this will run continuously. Inside this we'll put the code a loop or condition to specify if the user is pressing up key, down key, left key or right key, what exactly it needs to do, and when it is touching a black color, what exactly it should do. Okay, so here we write down if sprite dot is key pressed. So which key is pressed right now, we will be specifying it is up arrow. Okay, and then put colon here, and inside this what exactly it needs to do is sprite dot set direction to 0, and sprite dot move how much it needs to move, so we specify 5. Same way we'll create one more if. So what I will do is I will just copy this thing, Control C and Control V to make our work easier and smoother. Right now I will specify, I will change the code here. Instead of up arrow, it will be down arrow. Here the direction will change, it will become 180 and the traps are 5. Again I will copy it. Up arrow is done, down arrow is done. Now next is left arrow, left arrow, and the direction is minus 90 and move is 5. Same with the right arrow, right arrow, and the set direction would be to 90. Okay, so this is done. Now after this we will put one if to specify if the sprite is touching a particular color. So sprite dot is touching color. So what color we need to specify in RGB? It's a 0, 0, 0, which is for black. So we'll put the sprite to the starting position. So sprite dot set direction is 0, and sprite dot go to xy. So we are telling where exactly it needs to do. It will go to the location of the starting position. Okay, this is what it will do. Now next, when it touches the red color, which is the apple, so for that I'm specify if sprite sprite dot is touching color. Now which color it should be? It will be red. So RGB red is 255 comma 0 comma 0. So we get the red color, and then afterwards we specify what the sprite will say. Sprite dot say game over. Okay, and then comma and 2 for 2 seconds, and then break the while condition or while loop. Done. Let's run the code and check. Okay, so okay, we got some error. Need to find out. Typing is touching color. So there is an error here. Is touching color 18. Mm-hmm. So, okay. What we can do? Yes, ma'am. Just give me a minute. We'll put one more bracket here. See code is proper. Now again run. Okay. So let's see working, and we can move our beetle, and it is not giving any error. So it is moving right. It's very slow. What we can do is we can increase the steps or the move. So instead of 5 we can specify 10. And yes, when I touch, let's see, when I touch the black line, it should go to the starting position. Yes, it's good. So the code is working properly.